If you have the problem of the code not received on Facebook, just keep watching this video until the end and the problem is gonna be fixed. So all what you have to do to fix this problem is very easy and simple. Just go to the settings on your phone and then go to the apps. Go to apps, and after you go to the Facebook app informations on your phone, now all what you have to do is go here to the notifications management and make sure that all those options are enabled like this, as you can see. And after you make sure, then go back and click here on storage, click on clear cache and clear data, go back, click on force stop and reopen Facebook. And congratulations. And if the problem didn't work for you or didn't solve, all what you have to do then is uninstall and reinstall Facebook. Don't forget to like, subscribe.